Knock knock. Who's there? Upside. Upside potential. Before we dive into Nock, guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say on the channel is all entertainment purposes only. Nock chain is a proof of useful work for private unstoppable application for ZK proof of work. This is on base chain. I was paying attention to this project at around 1 cent. It dropped below 1 cent for a bit, but I didn't expect it to start moving so quickly. So last night and some days before, I made sure that in the private Discord of my Patreon, as you can see here, let me tell you guys the dates that we're in. Today is the 30th. Okay, so today's the 30th, April 2026, last day of the month, right? On the 27th, I made sure to let the patrons know at 1.8 cents, and then even last night, the 29th, you go down here. This is my private Discord, right? You get access to this on Patreon for $5 a month. It was at 178 cents right here. You can see that 178 cents. I was like, guys, I think Nock is a great buy for the patrons. You know, we have, you know, it has a lot of potential, right? I did say I was going to make a video on it today, and it's already starting to break out. But I shared it in the private Discord, so hopefully people paid attention and got some exposure already. And even so, even if they, you know, even if you just pay attention and just look for dips, I think this is going to be a big winner in the future. Nock, for example, is one of those projects that is crushing it, even though the overall market, look at Bitcoin, down 2-3% at 76K. Nock does not care. Nock who's there upside. Nock does not care. So like I said, at around 1 cent, I was paying attention to it, right? You can see 1 cent. It dipped to under a penny at 0.56, and that would have been the perfect time to share it and let people know. But I'm so busy with all the content I'm making, guys. It's a lot of work. Okay, so I'm not gonna be perfect. But then I saw it make a move, and I saw it pull back to that 1.7 cent area right here. Okay, and now it's starting to break out, and I made sure to let the patrons know, hey, it's finally on a pullback. Pay attention, maybe get some exposure. I shared it in the private Discord. Now I'm making a video on it. Is it still early to the project? Yes, it is, but don't form win because it's up 44%. But you never know what could happen, man. Like I said, strategy is if you got $500, toss in 50 to 100. If you got $500, toss in 50 to 100 bucks so you don't miss the rocket ship. If it comes back down, you DCA. You buy here and there after 3 to 5 days on dips, right? But with this breakout that it's having right now, you get some exposure, better than no exposure, because the upside for this is potentially massive. Okay, this thing could go to a fully diluted market cap. As you can see, the circulating market cap, or the FDV now, is 445.7 million market cap. This thing could go to 500 million market cap to a billion market cap. Wow. FDV, which is a 10 to 20x move from now. Okay, so even like I said, if you got $500, $300, toss in 50, 100, you don't miss the rocket ship. If it continues to just obviously nothing is guaranteed, guys, but if it does continue to just break out here, boom, you're a part of the rocket ship. You make some money. Okay. You make some money. If it pulls back, well, guess what? You got another 400 to DCA down if it does decide to pull back, right? One more time. I was like, oh, this is a good time to buy at 0.8, man. But it just took off so quickly, man. And so many projects. I'm just one guy. So that's why I said 1.7 cent, because it's at 2-3 cent now from yesterday. Remember, the 29th, I shared it again. And I think this is going to be a massive project, like I said, because let me tell you why. It's a ZK proof of work project. What is one of the sectors that a lot of people think will do well? Privacy projects, right? Privacy tokens, proof of work tokens, right? Proof of work is the ultimate technology for crypto, because Bitcoin is proof of work. Bitcoin is proof of work. So with Bitcoin being proof of work, Zcash, for example, being proof of work plus privacy, this could be one of those projects that have that undervalued potential because it hits both sectors, but it is also EVM compatible, right? Zcash is not EVM compatible. So now you see, for example, like I said, it's on base chain, which is great, because guess what is on Aerodrome liquidity pool? Someone like me that trades a lot on Ethereum and base, I could just send over some money, bridge it over, boom. You know, somebody on Ethereum mainnet got millions of dollars, they could DCA into some Nock, right? They're on base, they're on BNB, they on Monad, they could bridge over instantly, buy some Nock, right? Because all of that is in the wallets, the bridges and stuff like that. So I think this is a project you should not ignore. I think this is gonna do well, and they also have halvings as well. Like, they reduce block emissions. Look at this. Nock chain speeds up to 2.5 minute blocks, and emissions immediately cut in half at 65,000. So this is basically, right, a chain that, you know, is similar to the Zcashes and Moneros of the world, but it's also EVM compatible, like Avalanche, Monad, and, you know, what else is EVM? BNB, right? So it's the best of both worlds, 3 worlds actually: proof of work, privacy, and EVM compatibility. I think that's very bullish, and that's why I had an eye on it, but it took off so quickly. It took off so quickly. This is what I said in the Patreon chat. Like I said, this was literally just before I went to bed, or sometime in the morning. I was like, okay, I think Nock is a great buy. Even a small bag is a good bet. It was at 1.7 cent here. Now it's already at 2-3 cent, guys. I think this is gonna do massive, and patrons are gonna see it first. This video won't go public. I don't know when I'll make it public, but by the time it's public, I know, man, it could be at 5 to 10 cent by the time I make this public. So hopefully, Patreon members, you guys are paying attention, because I think this one is going to be a gem. Okay, like I said, I think a move to 500 mil market cap FDV to a billion market cap FDV is very realistic here. You just do the math. That is a 10x to 20x move from here, right? So even $50, $100 in, right? You times by 10, 100 times 10, 1,000, 20, 2,000, 50 times 10, 500, 20x, 1,000, right here. As you can see, Crypto Spaces, 43 members in the Patreon right now, only $5 a month. Your $50, 10x's. Guess what? You make $50 becomes $500, $100 becomes $1,000. It's only $5 a month for the Patreon. Do the math. How much are you making? How much are you saving here by getting access to this type of information before anyone else? You make $995 profit, $495, $995 in profit for $5 come on, man. Come on, man. And again, to get access to that, let me put up my YouTube channel. Come on, man. I'm giving so much value here, man, and I'm doing my best. Like I said, I'll do my utmost best to see everyone in my channel be successful. So please, patrons, pay attention. And, you know, people that are, you know, bullish on Nock and hold Nock, I'm telling you guys have a winner on your hands, and you guys already know it. That's why you've been holding, and you held, and you DCA down here at 205, because this project is strong. You have to bid strength. It's strong and it's showing strength. You have to buy strength. This is how you win in this space, okay? And this one really looks like it's going to be a big winner because of what it provides. Like I broke down for you guys, ZK, which is privacy, like Zcash, proof of work, like Zcash and Bitcoin, but also EVM compatible, like Monad, Avalanche, BNB, right? Bullish. Okay, bullish. If you found value in this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. To get access to the Patreon, just go to my channel bio here. It's the first link right here, guys. And, you know, I'll keep you guys updated, man. You see it's breaking now. Man, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to give praise and glory to the Lord God Jesus. Thank God for everything. I'll catch you in the next one.